What's up you guys, my name is littlehooliagan and today I will be unboxing a really cool product called a sunset lamp. So a company reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked if I could review this product for them. And I honestly didn't know what it was. I thought it was just some colorful lamp projector, but then I did more research and watched some videos on it and found out that it's actually a trendy lamp people are buying on TikTok. So I'm really thankful to actually have this opportunity today to unbox it for you guys and give my thoughts on it as well. So let's open it up and see what it comes with. So you have your typical instruction guide that basically explains what the product comes with. Then you have your remote control that controls all of the lights on the lamp projector. And lastly, the sunset lamp itself. A cool thing to note is that the cable is actually a USB cable as opposed to like plugging this into a wall. And then it also has a really clicky button. Another thing I really like about this product is just how simple it is. It's literally just the lamp and a remote control basically. Once you plug it in, the remote control already has batteries in it, and then you can just start using it instantly after you screw in the lamp to the base. So now I'm just going to show the different colors that it has in its variety. You have your typical red, greens, and blues, and then under each of those primary colors you can find the different shades for each. And then now this is just the white light, and then there's like 4 different modes under the white light. So there's a flashing one, and then the strobe. And so I tried going back and forth on the flash and strobing modes because I couldn't really tell a difference, but hopefully you guys can tell. And then this third mode is called fade, which is just all of the colors fading into each other, kind of like a gradient. And honestly, this is probably the favorite of all the modes for me. The last mode is called smooth. I assume it's just like a smoother version of the strobing light. And then the last thing on the remote control is that you can change the brightness of your lamp, so you can reduce it or make it brighter. The final feature for this lamp is that you can rotate the lamp, so there's a whole 180-degree rotation, and then you can also do like a 360 spin around on the bulb too. So now I'm just gonna showcase the colors on my ceiling so you guys can see what it looks like, and then after that I will do a very awkward photo shoot just to show what it looks like when you take pictures. Sorry you guys had to bear with that really awkward photo shoot. For my final thoughts, I want to say that I think the lamp is actually really cool. It actually had a larger variety of colors than I expected, and I think it does really well for taking pictures or if you just want to change up the lighting in your room and create a little bit of ambiance. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video I have for you today, and if you're interested in checking out the product, I will leave the Amazon links down below. If you guys are interested in buying this product and you want a discount, use this code that I'm putting on the screen right now and you'll get 5% off. And I will also have it in the description below to make it easier for you guys too. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!